so good to see you! Look how many more cars there are for you! It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! We need to take parts off the log loader. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. This is where welding comes in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. Awesome! Put a patch on it. Super! That's it! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. You're so smart! That's great! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You fixed it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. You're so smart. Magnificent. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Plug the wire into the right place. Heart. Triangle. Circle. Square. You fixed it! Something is dripping here. Match the keys to the lock by size. Excellent! I knew you could do it! Pick up all the junk with wires. Excellent! That's great! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super duper! You fixed it! All done! Now help to assemble log loader. I appreciate your help. You can upgrade the vehicle. Go to the construction site. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Congratulations! Don't stop now! Oh, you got a sticker for your great work! Wow! What an amazing sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected!